So we just got this new power adapter, AC adapter, fast charging. That's what we need. So this system is for Lenovo, remember. Now, some machines require a certain amount of power to actually power the system up. And some of them require less to actually charge it up, but then they won't start up. But let's see if this one even charges. So this power supply, I got it because it works for various machines that are the Lenovo family. Right, so this is the power supply that I have. It's a Lenovo machine. So we'll plug it in here. And right now, look at that. It just came alive right now. So this power supply is a lot better than the one I currently have. If you guys can see, it's powering up the system itself. So if you guys are looking for a replacement, I'm going to show you the size difference on the actual powers, all right? This is the new one, and I'm going to show you the old one. The power supply, it says it's going to take about, it's at 60%. It's going to take about an hour and 9 minutes to actually power it up. So right now, currently, we have everything on. We don't have to worry about turning anything off. So, which is great. I mean, this power supply is a lot smaller than the usual one that I have. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. All right, now this one is going to charge a lot slower because it's 170, but it is still working with my laptop. I do have a larger one, but this is a 400 watts charging station. And this is going to charge my system a lot better. Now, recommendation when you're playing games, it's better to use your old one because sometimes the fans overpower, and also the video card requires a lot more power. But to charge it, if you're working, just surfing the internet and not gaming, this is perfect for traveling. Leave it charging. It's one of those things that it fits in your backpack instead of this. So I am going to carry this as an emergency back in my backpack, but this is the original one, if you guys can see, and it's compatible with the laptop. Now, I am going to put a description of what it's compatible. There's a lot of different models that you can use it for. Now, this is going to be utilized for other models I carry and I do have. Unfortunately, on some of them, I lost the power. This is compatible with it because Lenovo never changes the actual connection. They keep it the same. So if you guys are looking for replacement, just like this for Lenovo Legions, and this is a new version of Legion. This is a RTX 57 Ti. So it is a power beast, and it's helping me out with charging the actual laptop. So if you guys are looking for a replacement, check it out.